Okay, hello, welcome friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to access the Opay Customer Care Service number. So if you've been having any problem making transfers to your Opay account or transferring money to some other person, and there's an issue you need to report or call customer care service to give you direction on how to do it. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access the Opay Customer Care Service number so that you can call them and make your complaints or your request. So log into your Opay account. I'm going to log into my Opay account now and show you the on-screen process, how to access the number. So let me log into my Opay account. Once you've logged into your Opay account, click on where it says earn 300 Naira bonus. Get your pay me account for collection. Click on that place. I'm clicking on my own and I'm going to open a place that looks like this where it says merchant services. This is actually your Opay account number, different from your phone number, but Opay account number. So scroll down to the end, to the bottom of the page where it says earn bonuses, that yellow big button. Click on that yellow button where it says earn bonus. Click on it and it's going to show you an interface that looks like it, that says earn 300 Naira bonus. Complete 3 tasks to earn 300 Naira. Scroll to the bottom. You will see a place that says reward insurance. The reward will be credited to your Opay balance once you complete the task. Please note that one device per account can only participate in the activity once. If you have any queries, contact customer service at 0700 and the number continues. So that's how to locate your customer care service number on Opay. Here is it: 070 088 329. So if you call that number, an Opay customer service will attend to you and answer all your questions about Opay transactions. Thank you once again for watching. Subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications, because I'll be sharing with you ways of doing so many things online, including making money with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and other make money online services like freelancing and others. Thank you once again for watching.